equestrian centre in Raqqa. And here they're developing a remote-controlled car. It's a prototype, scavenged and put together in their workshop. The idea is that this can be replicated by sleeper cells abroad. This is a bomb, and they're filming how it is made.
Breaking news!
Some of the trainers and designers make no effort to disguise themselves. This man, one of the most hands-on, is Turkish. Syria, Tunisia, Egypt, Pakistan, Sudan and Somalia, undergoing training to take abroad. In countries where suicide bombers are scarce, remote-controlled bombs are an ideal weapon. To avoid detection, they need a driver. The mannequin is coated in wire and wrapped with foil to distribute heat. A self-adjusting thermostat will bring the mannequin to the same temperature as a human body. Lasers are attached to the head to create eyes. If the vehicle is scanned with any type of heat detector, it will emit the signature of a human being. In this section of the video, a man explains in Russian that all types of explosive materials can be used if they have the right fuses. They have an array of materials available to make bombs. TNT, improvised missiles, and stockpiles of plastic explosives. Remember, this video is for the terror group itself. It's not the usual Islamic State propaganda. In Turkey, an Islamic State defector confirmed that a top-secret trading program was known about in Raqqa, his hometown. The program, he says, was about attacking countries in Europe and further afield.
أغلب الأوقات كان حسب معلوماتنا جوا كان يتم تدريس الفيديوهات هي تصويرها مو مشان الداخل لأن بالداخل فيهم يدربون عليها بشكل علني في الداخل كان يتم تصوير الأمور هي توثيقها مشان بالخارج مشان مثل أوروبا مشان مجموعات أكبر بس أما التصويرات هي كانت تصير يعني لمجموعات أكبر لحملات أكثر بس طبعا مو بالداخل مو بسوريا ولا حتى بالعراق يعني.
The research teams may be well qualified, but they pay scant regard to their own safety. The work, though, in this room reveals one of the most shocking developments ever known about Islamic State. They're converting a missile from a jet fighter and making it into a surface-to-air missile. There's a heat-seeking warhead. It can take out a passenger jet. 99% of the time, these missiles hit their targets. For decades, terror groups have had weapons like this. Most of the parts are good for 20 years or so. What doesn't last, though, is the thermal battery, which is the core of the weapon's operating system. They can't be repaired, and without it, the missile doesn't work. It's thwarted these groups for years. What this film reveals is that Islamic State's researchers have made an alternative thermal battery. It's a huge breakthrough for them. Western weapons experts are reeling.